So why Industry Forum? Industry Forum has a quarter of a century of experience in terms of delivering auditor training. In that time, we've developed our audits to look primarily at the process. And what does it mean in terms of auditing the process, and how do we establish the process before auditing it? We've brought some of these techniques into the environmental management audits to make a more effective audit in terms of understanding what are we trying to achieve. Our course has been specifically written looking at the requirements for the environmental management system. Other providers use a modular approach where they just drop in the different requirements as per the title of the course. We've decided that we need to actually focus on what makes a good environmental management system and what is the intended outcome of the environmental system and how are we going to assess that. So what does the course contain? We use the IEMA guidance in terms of course content, and part of that is understanding what an environmental management system should try to achieve, how to achieve it in terms of its implementation, what are the requirements of ISO 14001 and how to interpret those requirements into how can we audit those requirements. We also look at how to plan, report and close out an audit.